Welcome. In front of me is a Huawei Nova 12S, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM card into this phone. So, before you get started, you will need to grab a SIM eject tool, which comes provided with the device, and it should be somewhere between the paperwork, but if you can't find it, you could also use a paper clip, extend out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray. Now for that, you do need to take off the case if you have one on your device. The tray is located at the bottom of the phone. You'll have two little holes right here, so you want to utilize the one that is part of this cutout. There we go. And you want to push it in. You can see that the tray pops out, enough for you to be able to grab it and yoink it out. Now on the tray you have space for two different SIM cards, so one on either side. I'm going to be occupying only one of those trays, but if you're planning to use also one, you can place it at the bottom or top, doesn't really matter. From there, insert it back into your device. Before I do so, I am going to quickly mention that the card should be laying flush on the tray, and if you flip it over, it should not be falling out of the tray. Once you insert the card back into your device, it should automatically turn on. Now, something that Huawei still does, which is absolutely freaking annoying, is it changes the language of your device, completely disregarding and removing your previous choice throughout the setup as a big middle finger. So to people that might live surprisingly outside of or in a country that they don't speak the language of, or maybe you just went on a vacation and you decided to get yourself a card right from that country just so you don't have to pay too much, right? You just got screwed by Huawei because of this. So to all of you, I got you covered to change the language, because right now it's in a language that you might not understand, and to navigate to settings, which is this gear icon. Once you find it, then here we're gonna scroll all the way down to, let me quickly check. I am trying to figure out where it is right now myself. Even though it's language that I understand, I don't necessarily remember where Huawei puts a language selection. So, okay, I think it's right here. So it's under System and Updates. So it's the second last option with this blue icon in the settings. And in here, it's going to be the third option from the top, Language and Notifications. Then we have language and region as a first option on the top. And here, blue text, add language. So once you press on it, you want to now find your desired language. So I'm going to be selecting English. Now it's going to pop up this notification asking you if you want to change to this language that you just chosen. So you want to select the option on the right side, which is basically change. And voila, we have now our language that we had picked before. Not sure why inserting a SIM card overrides that choice, but whatever. So we can close it. Now anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.